Rosaline caught a dragonfly and put it in a matchbox. She ran home to show the dragonfly to her mom. But when she opened the matchbox, to Rosaline's utter dismay, the dragonfly was trying hard to breathe. Her mother took the matchbox outside and put the dragonfly on the grass. Mother explained that the dragonfly was so uncomfortable because it was not getting enough air to breathe in the closed box. Rosaline asked what air is. Her mother made a paper fan and fanned her. While doing so, she asked Rosaline to feel the air and then told her that we cannot see air. We cannot touch air, but we can feel it. We breathe in air. Moving air is called wind. Mother showed her how the washed clothes were drying under the sun and were moving with the wind. Rosaline also saw the leaves on the branches of the trees swaying with the wind. Mother also reminded Rosaline that when her football was deflated, they had to fill air in it so that she could play. Rosaline remembered how her mother reminded her every night not to sleep with her face covered so that she could breathe freely. She felt bad for the dragonfly and promised her mom that she would never do something like this again. Air is a very important part of our life. We need air to breathe. We cannot see air. We cannot touch air. We can only feel air. Air is needed to inflate balls, balloons, etc. Moving air is called wind. Recap. All living things need air to breathe. Air is needed to inflate balls, balloons, etc. We cannot see air. We cannot touch air. We can only feel air. Moving air is called wind.
Make a paper fan. Take a sheet of paper, fold it as shown and fan yourself.